A complete computer system consists of several key components, each playing a vital role in its functionality. Here's an overview of the main components. Central Processing Unit, CPU, the brain of the computer, responsible for executing instructions and processing data. Motherboard, the main circuit board that connects all components of the computer, including the CPU, RAM, and storage. Random Access Memory, RAM, temporary storage that holds data and instructions for active processes, allowing for quick access. Storage, hard disk drive, HDD or solid-state drive, SSD permanent storage for the operating system, applications, and files. Power Supply Unit, PSU, converts electrical power from an outlet into usable power for the computer's components. Graphics Processing Unit, GPU, handles rendering of images, animations, and video for display, essential for gaming and graphic design. Cooling System includes fans or liquid cooling systems to dissipate heat generated by the CPU and GPU. Input devices, devices like a keyboard and mouse that allow users to interact with the computer. Output devices, devices such as monitors and printers that display or produce results from the computer. Network Interface Card, NIC, allows the computer to connect to a network, enabling internet access and communication with other devices. Case, the enclosure that houses all components, providing protection and organization. Operating System, OS, software that manages hardware and software resources, providing a user interface and enabling applications to run. Each component works together to create a functional computer capable of performing a wide variety of tasks. Here's a more detailed outline of a complete computer system, including additional components and their functions. 1. Central Processing Unit, CPU. Function: executes instructions from software and processes data. Types: Intel, AMD, ARM. 2. Motherboard function: connects all components and facilitates communication between them. Components: chipset, sockets for CPU and RAM, expansion slots. 3. Random Access Memory, RAM. Function: provides temporary storage for active applications and data. Types: DDR4, DDR5. 4. Storage types: hard disk drive, HDD magnetic storage with larger capacity but slower speed. Solid-state drive, SSD faster storage with no moving parts, improving boot and load times. 5. Power Supply Unit, PSU. Function: converts AC power from the wall to DC power for the computer's components. Wattage varies based on system requirements, typically 300 W to 1000 W. 6. Graphics Processing Unit, GPU. Function: renders images and video, crucial for gaming and graphic-intensive applications. Types: integrated, part of CPU, or dedicated, separate card. 7. Cooling System types: air cooling, fans and heat sinks. Liquid cooling, more efficient cooling for high-performance systems. 8. Input devices, examples: keyboard, mouse, touchpad, joystick, scanner. 9. Output devices, examples: monitor, printer, speakers. 10. Network Interface Card, NIC. Function: connects the computer to a network, wired or wireless. Types: Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapters. 11. Computer Case function: houses and protects all components. Types: tower, desktop, mini IDX. 12. Operating System, OS. Function: manages hardware resources and provides a user interface. Examples: Windows, Mac OS, Linux. 13. Peripheral devices, examples: external hard drives, webcams, microphones, game controllers. 14. BIOS/UEFI function: firmware that initializes hardware during booting and provides runtime services for operating systems.